Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add partner on Flo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Flo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Today, Insights, Secret Chats, Messages and Partner. Tap on Partner, then select Link your partner from the bottom of your screen. Now in a couple seconds, you'll get a pairing code. Go ahead and tap on Send Pairing Code from there. Then send your partner the pairing code. And guys, that's it. That's how you add partner on Flo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.